This is waste. Or is it? Every sawmill and furniture factory generates tons of wood waste, offcuts, sawdust, pallets, most of it burned, landfilled, or left to rot. Powermax turns that overlooked byproduct into clean, reliable electricity, generated right on site. Wood waste is fed into the gasifier, converted into clean syngas, and used to run a generator, turning sawdust, offcuts, and scrap wood into continuous power. 24/7. No more waste to burn. No more diesel to buy. Just power, made from what your mill already produces. From 200 kilowatts to 2 megawatts, Powermax gasification systems are helping sawmills, furniture factories, and wood processors around the world turn your wood waste into electricity. Turn your wood waste into electricity. Powermax waste in, power out.